Hbar price prediction. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hedera, this is the place for you. As of April 18th, 2026, the total market cap is $3.90 billion, with a change of plus 0.58% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.0902. The 24-hour trading volume is $103.40 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.32 billion, with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion, ranks 28 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.093321. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.089548. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is up 0.65% to $0.0901 in 24 hours, slightly trailing Bitcoin's stronger rally, primarily driven by capital rotating into enterprise-focused altcoins. Sector rotation. Hbar gained 1.4% on Friday, leading the CoinDesk 20 index as capital rotated toward payment layer and enterprise-backed tokens. This reflects a risk-aware shift into assets with institutional governance and real-world utility ahead of geopolitical milestones. What it means: investors are selectively favoring altcoins with tangible enterprise use cases over pure speculative plays. Market beta and ETF flows. Hbar's rise occurred alongside a 2.96% Bitcoin rally, fueled by sustained inflows into US spot Bitcoin ETFs. As a correlated altcoin, Hbar benefited from this overall market uplift, though it underperformed Bitcoin's move. What it means: the move was partly a beta-driven tailwind, not purely idiosyncratic strength. Watch for Bitcoin's ability to break the $77,000 resistance level, which would likely boost altcoin sentiment. Near-term market outlook. The immediate binary catalyst is the April 22nd Iran ceasefire expiry. A calm extension could support further rotation into Hbar. Renewed tensions may pressure risk assets. Technically, holding above the swing low of $0.0886 is key. The 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $0.0916 is near-term resistance. A break above targets the swing high of $0.0934. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Hbar price prediction. Hbar price prediction improved Friday as Hedera gained 1.4% and Stellar's XDLM added 1.5% to top the CoinDesk 20 performance update, placing the index at 2,125.52, up 0.3% from Thursday's close, with just 9 of 20 assets trading higher as Bitcoin approached the $76,000 resistance level that has capped every major rally attempt in 2026. Hbar price prediction improved Friday as both tokens outperformed the CoinDesk 20's 0.3% gain by a wide margin, with Hedera rising 1.4% and Stellar 1.5%, against an index that saw 11 of 20 assets move flat or lower. Bitcoin's push towards $76,000 drove selective altcoin rotation, and both Hbar and XLM carry the profile that tends to lead early in such moves. Payment layer infrastructure with institutional governance and regulatory credibility. Near Protocol fell 2.3% as the session's worst performer, and Polkadot dropped 1.6%. General-purpose Layer 1 networks with slower development cadences underperformed, while tokens with specific near-term catalysts and enterprise backing attracted the session's marginal buying. Why Hbar is outperforming. Hedera's volume surged to $103 million, up 57.6% on the day, signals targeted positioning rather than passive drift alongside BTC. Several catalysts have built in the ecosystem since March. McLaren Racing joined the Hedera Governing Council in March 2026 as a full voting member, committing to digital collectibles programs across the F1 and IndyCar seasons and giving the network access to a global sports audience. The Canary Capital Hbar ETF, trading on Nasdaq under the ticker HBR since October 28, 2025, accumulated $93.21 million in cumulative ETF inflows by early 2026, making Hbar the third cryptocurrency to achieve U.S. spot ETF status. Hedera's governing council includes Google, IBM, Boeing, NVIDIA, and ServiceNow. The network has processed over $10 billion in real-world asset settlements, including tokenized bonds and cross-border payments, giving it a fundamental utility base that most mid-cap altcoins lack. Hedera remained directionally tied to Bitcoin and the macro calendar. The April 22nd Iran ceasefire expiry is the nearest binary. A credible extension maintains the risk-on environment that is driving altcoin rotation. A breakdown would likely push Hbar and XLM toward their 2026 trading lows. Can Bitcoin consolidate above $76,000? And does Hbar hold 0.0886 support through the April 22nd news flow? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer. This video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.